Sound healing goes to the depths of why we all, as a human race, have such a deep love for music. And it goes to the most fundamental building blocks of that universal love and that universal appeal. Of course, these are just instruments working with the field and helping primarily to allow you to relax and clear your head. But they can also support in the release of your feelings and pent-up emotions. Sometimes the hemispheres of the brain start to slow down as they match up with the space and the overtone vibrations that are starting to saturate the room. And when the brain starts to slow down, we get into this wonderful, magical experience of our senses, with our memories, with our sensation of what's present, what's in the physical world and what's in the non-physical world. Our dream state comes alive. And there are many people who believe that in that particular state of consciousness, we get a whole wave of wisdom that can allow us to deal with whatever is going on in our lives and to meet our challenges with more depth and more clarity.